Hello, my name is Abdul Rahim Hamid. I'm the National President of the Black Contractors Association, founded 35 years ago, has been about helping inner city youth gain their opportunities in construction. And we're here today very excited about providing some solar that's being donated by Mulholland Electric.
So this system's going to help the veteran out financially by providing power for him at no cost for many years to come. It's going to drastically reduce his electric bill and help him to be able to afford other things in his daily life. On this roof, we're putting 10 photovoltaic panels. They're 260 watts. We have 250 watt Enphase microinverters that are going to produce AC power directly on the roof.
I want to express our sincere gratitude for the generosity of Brian McCullen, who is making this contribution affordable to a veteran. He himself, being a veteran, is very passionate about helping veteran families, and we want to thank him and thank his team.
Giving back to the community of San Diego is a huge priority to me. The community of San Diego, as you know, is comprised of a lot of military and veterans. I'm one. So to be able to help a veteran in San Diego is just near and dear to us.